Good morning. Today I will be installing and setting up the Packtalk Bold in 2 helmets. So Packtalk Bold is a communication system that you can use between helmets. My husband will be picking up his motorcycle in a couple weeks, so we already have his helmet, and I will install these so when we go riding together we will be able to communicate. They say how it works is just you talk and you can hear each other. You don't have to push any buttons like a walkie-talkie or anything. It's just like an intercom system. It also runs different Bluetooth. You could listen to the radio or your music or answer phone calls through it as well. So even if I'm riding by myself, I can still talk on the phone or listen to music. I don't know if I'll be doing either of those things, but the possibility is there with this system. So let me show you what comes in the box. We'll open it up and we'll put it together and get it working. So in the box, it comes with the 2 units. Instruction manuals in multiple languages. Warranty information and installation guide. Now it also comes with these 2 boxes. And inside the box we have these are spacers for the speakers that go by your ears. If your ear cavities are too deep, you can use these. They're spacers. They help bring the speaker closer to your ears. This is the microphone that goes in the front. If you have a one-piece helmet, I don't know, I'm sorry, modular maybe. If you have a helmet that's like these kind that have the bottom together, if you just have like the head piece, then it also comes with the microphone for that. But I won't be using this today or installing it or showing you how, just because I don't have one of those to put it on. Charging cord, alcohol prep wipes, and so there's 2 of these, because if you use this microphone here, you'll need both of them. But so we'll just put this one away, because all we'll need is the one to go in the chin with the microphone. So there's this clip that'll clip to your helmet. But if your helmet has a thick ridge, this helmet here has a wide, see how wide that is? It won't fit in there, so that we'll have to use this that sticks on, and I'll stick it onto the outside. And so it says that you gotta let that glue dry for 24 hours before using it. So I won't be able to put the Packtalk Bold on the helmet until tomorrow, but I can attach all of the speakers and microphone and show you how that's done, and then hopefully we'll get it all hooked up where I'll be able to run it and let you hear what it's like. This helmet here has a smaller place, and so I should be able to slide that cradle right up in here and won't have to use the sticky tape for this one. So this has to go on the left side of the helmet. And so with that, common sense shows how to place the speakers in the helmet. So you want the cords to be able to touch the, you want the wire to be on the same side as the device. So if the device is going to be on the left side, you would put the speakers in like this, so that you'd put the one with the long wire on the right side of the helmet and the one with the short wire on the left side of the helmet. That way the opening, that way the wire will be at the same place as the device. So when that's, and then you put the microphone in with the cord facing that direction as well, so that it all can be over here by the device. So let's pop these cheek pads back in. Snap all the snaps. All right. And now, if it goes this way, it looks like this is bend flexible, and so you would want it to go on just like this, so that that goes right there and clips on. So let me make sure before that I'm putting it on right. So the way to remove this is you just push something in there and then slide this off. So let me go run and grab something real quick. Oh, I just used a table knife. I pushed it in this way and it just slides right up. So I'm making sure this is, yep, so that I can feel it slides. It's about to snap on. Make sure it's all going to be facing the right direction, and we want it right there. So take a alcohol prep wipe, wipe the outside of the helmet. Let it dry. And press it into place. Now we'll let that set for 24 hours before we hook this to it. But you can see all you do is just attach these like this. I don't want to snap it in yet. And then snap that to there and snap this to there. Like that, so much better, because I'm not I mean, I guess I'm not ruining my helmet by putting a sticker on it, but I prefer not to. Okay, so now I got that on. Then we'll just go ahead and quickly put the speakers and microphone on. Okay, so alcohol prep wipe. We'll just reach in, pull back the panel, wipe it, pull back the panel on the other side, wipe in there, and I'll go ahead and wipe where the microphone goes as well. So we put the short one on the side that the device goes on. Will it help if I put the sticky pads on first? Stick the microphone Velcro on, and then we'll stick the microphone on. And that shouldn't be a problem just because it's right here in the front. So we'll just attach the little attachments here. And there, we got that hooked up. And now has a little antenna that pops up, and this should clip right into here. Yep. And there we go. It is attached. And now for the pairing part. So turn the device on. You hold these two buttons down and it comes on. See, it turned green. Let's see if you could hear. Says intercom mode. Let me see. Hello, can you hear me? Hello? Hey, is it working? Can you hear me? Looks like I didn't even have to do anything. I turned it on and it automatically paired. There's all these instructions for how to do it, and also there's a lot of, there's a really good tutorial by the Cardo manufacturer online that shows it. But yeah, I could see the little light flashing here when I'm talking, so it's actually picking up my voice, and so yeah, so I hooked them up, I turn it on, and it automatically is set. So I'm gonna see if it'll automatically play music. Hey Cardo, radio on. it started playing the radio. That is cool. Hey Cardo, radio off. That is awesome. I could just walk around the house with my, see, I didn't even need to pair it to Bluetooth. I didn't have to pair it to my phone or anything. There is an app, and it has a lot of different options. You can, pair it to your phone so you can make calls or receive calls. You can, hey Siri or hey Google or whatever, and it works. So I better turn this off for now so it's not hey Siri and me. All right. Yeah. But no, it was so super simple. I was so nervous about it being difficult, but the cheek protectors were not hard to remove. The installation took all of a minute at most. White stick done. And so I'm just waiting for that glue to dry on that one. I don't want it falling off and ruining anything. This was quite pricey, but I do feel having the security of knowing that I can talk to my husband and he can talk to me when he's on his own bike, and I won't have any question about what he's doing or where he's going, and he can tell me, hey, there's something in the road or whatever, and it'll be really helpful. And these can be paired if a person has a lot of friends who are motorcycle enthusiasts and you all ride around together. Everyone can have one of these, and you can pair them up to as many as you want. And this Cardo brand is really good at being able to link any Bluetooth device, so even if they don't have a Cardo brand, they can still be in your group and all talk together. There's so many different options that go with it. What I was watching on the Cardo website is he was showing that you could link up a bunch of people, you can make a call, you can have that call, have everybody on it. If one person that's not riding with y'all wants to call and talk, they could talk to everybody at the same time. All you have to do is push some buttons on the little device here and it'll go right through. There's a nice roller button here to turn up the volume. You turn up and down the volume by just rolling that, so it's easy when you're on your bike. You just reach up and flick that. You can also say all the different commands. You can say, hey Cardo, turn the volume up. If you go to the website, you can learn more about it. But that's it for today. I am glad I got them hooked up. We still need to figure out what to do with these wires. I'd like him to put this on, and we'll decide whether or not we're gonna run it through here or just leave it like it is. And on mine, once the glue is dry, I'll attach this and it'll just tuck right under that cheek pad. And that's it. Hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you all have a wonderful evening. Take care. Bye-bye.